Hey, what's up you guys? It is me, Grady, and welcome back to my channel. Yes! So today, you guys, is a very exciting day. We are going to be checking out a performance from the queen herself, Miss Diana Ankudinova. It has been a minute since I've done a Diana video, and I just felt the urgency to watch a Diana performance. I mean, who wouldn't? So today we're going to be checking out her performance of Blizzard. I am excited. I am beyond ready for it. So I'm going to shut up and let's check out Blizzard. And guess what? Guess who found their other AirPod? This guy. Yes, finally found my other AirPod. You want to know where it was at? I really actually don't even want to tell you because it was in the most complicated, unnecessary spot ever. And I thought it was gone forever, but it is now back with me. So, in case any of you were wondering.
Ну, а сейчас, оставайся, мы объявим нашу следующую участницу сюрприз. Сейчас для всех, кто уже победил или кто ждет своей участи, я хочу, чтобы на эту сцену вышла уникальная девочка, победительница второго сезона международного вокального шоу «Ты супер», обладательница гран-при суперсезона «Ты супер». И, между прочим, видео с ее выступлениями, ты помнишь, сколько посмотрели?
Больше 10 миллионов.
Больше, нет, ее выступление на проекте набрало в интернете более 350 миллионов просмотров к этому моменту. Итак, встречайте, Диана Анкудинова.
Oh, what an introduction. Oh, I like this.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима, сеет снег.
Oh, she looks so stunning.
Ночью и днем меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Fierce, honey.
Белым вьюга, думаю, кровь. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
So effortless.
Где-то там в тишине.
Who the hell was walking by hearing her performance?
Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга.
Oh, I missed the couch again, regardless. Oh, that ending was like, you know what I mean? That felt like such an intense ending. I'm living for it. Oh my God! That performance was so intense. It really was. It just felt so powerful. It was stripped back I loved when it started snowing, aka the blizzard, and that ending just sent a chill down my spine. I gotta say, I was like, ooh, dang, Diana. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a comment down below of what you thought of Diana's performance of Blizzard. Love to hear your thoughts about this. And if you haven't already, be sure to leave a comment down below if you have any Diana requests. I would love to check out more and more and more of our queen. Actually, there is a lot of requests you guys have given me, and I really have a lot to catch up on, so we're gonna have to do like a Diana week, where I do a Diana video every day for a week to try to catch up, because you guys have been absolutely so sweet, and you give me links, you tell me verbatim what performance to check out, and I need to definitely catch up with you guys. So I appreciate it. Each and every one of you who has left me a comment or given me the links to the videos, you are beyond appreciated. Like, if I could hug you, I would. But I can't because I'm in your screen. Okay, you guys, I hope you all have an amazing day and an even better tomorrow. Peace out, Girl Scouts.